Hello kids, today we will draw a cute and delicious ice cream. So, let's start. We will make it like a triangle. Draw a line like this, then make it like a pyramid. Good job! Now connect it with a curved line. You know what? It's very easy to draw. So click here and subscribe my Kid Cartoon channel. Well done! Now draw the ice cream stick. Draw a line, then draw another line just parallel to it. Lastly, connect it with a curved line, and it's done. Look how great it's looking. Now draw a curved line inside the ice cream. To watch more drawing video, click here and subscribe my Kid Cartoon channel. Good job! Now draw another curved line just above it. Great job! It's looking very cute. Now draw a wavy and curvy line like this. Well done! Look how delicious it's looking. Lastly, draw a cute face. First, draw a circle, then slowly fill the color. Draw the other eye just like this. Don't forget to draw a cute and happy smile. Good job! We have completed the ice cream. Now draw a cute heart shape like this. Just draw step by step, and you won't make any mistakes. You know what? It's very easy to draw. So click here and subscribe my Kid Cartoon channel. Well done! Look, we've completed the drawing. So, let's color it. First, use red color and color the heart shape. Color the outline, then slowly fill the color. Good job! Now use brown color and color the ice cream stick. Color slowly so you don't make any mistakes. Well done! Now use pink color and color the lower part of the ice cream, like this. To watch more drawing video, click here and subscribe my Kid Cartoon channel. Look how beautiful it's looking. Now use sky blue and color the upper part. Color only the small part, and it's done. Good job! Now use yellow color and color the big part. Do the same thing. First color the outline, then slowly and carefully fill the color. Make sure not to color the eyes. Color around the sides of the eyes and slowly fill the color. You know what? It's very easy to draw. So click here and subscribe my Kid Cartoon channel. You can also use different colors to make it even cuter. Just color step by step, and you won't make any mistakes. Lastly, color the top part of the ice cream. Use purple color and carefully fill the color. Well done! It's looking very colorful and delicious. Now use white color for the ice cream highlights. First, draw a circle in the eye. Draw a small circle too. Well done! Now do the same thing on the other eye. Now color the side of the ice cream, just like this. Don't color the outline. Draw some small lines on the other side as well. Lastly, draw a line on the ice cream stick. Good job! We have completed the drawing. Look how delicious and tasty it's looking. To watch more drawing video, click here and subscribe my Kid Cartoon channel.